Welcome to JC Stocks and Markets Podcast for May 1st, 2026. I'm JC. I've been investing in the stock market for 40 plus years. Every other week I publish a new idea on YouTube regarding new stocks or ETFs that I research. My intentions with these podcasts are to share my thoughts and opinions on some stock and ETF picks with an emphasis on dividend-paying securities. I'm only trying to help us both make a buck. I'm not doing this for money from anyone. The opinions shared here are my own, and they are just that, opinions. Disclaimer, do your due diligence before investing in anything. With that, let's go make some money. I'm going to go with a little different direction here with this episode's pick. It's Amerisafe, AMSF. It's a smaller company based in DeRidder, Louisiana. This company basically writes workers' compensation policies, insurance policies for construction, for a lot of different industries. They've been around since 1985. They went public in 2005, and they've got some interesting things going for them. As you can see from the chart on this first slide, it's gone down from about $70 a share down to $30, on a little decrease in revenues and certainly some decrease in net income. But, I'm thinking they've got a different execution plan now. They've got a new CFO. The market cap is small, as you can see here. It's about $500 million. Revenue is about $1/3 billion. Income, I don't know, it's about 46 million. Earnings per share don't quite cover the dividend, but the dividend's nice. It's 8.6% as of last year. PE ratio is pretty good at 12. Very slow mover, beta 0.27. And there are three analysts that cover this stock, and they all have a buy with a average price target of $46 a share. One is actually in the 50s. Their earnings were released a couple weeks ago. They missed on earnings and revenue. So if you look at it in terms of a turnaround story. If you think it's a good turnaround story, great. If not, maybe not venture into it. But they're a good business. Workers' comp insurance. It's a tough business, but they're paying 8.6%. Their dividends are increasing, which you see in the next slides. And we'll go to those right now. The next slide is the price targets from the analysts. As you can see, it's actually two analysts here. They seem to be dropping their price targets. Hey, that's just one of the downsides. I just want to throw that out there for you. If to do your own analysis on this thing. Next slide is a consolidated income statement for the full years from 2021, 2025. You can see. Generally, the revenues are increasing. Operating income seems to be still going down, but that's it's a kind of a turnaround story. One of the things I can tell you is they are in the process of continuing their stock buyback. They still have $12 million worth of stock to buy back, which will make the pre-tax income go up, even though it has been going down. You can see that they are profitable, and maybe this thing makes a turnaround, maybe it doesn't. 8.5% divvy, not too bad. Speaking of divvies, here's a list of the common the recent divvies. You can see that every year they have a special fourth quarter dividend, and their dividends in general, quarterly dividends, are increasing, and they have been for many years. So I really think AMSF, Amerisafe. While it's speculative, if it's a turnaround story, I know it's slow moving. The beta is 0.2, but you could have some upside on that if their turnaround story is successful, and they're going to have less shares. They've got a new management team, at least a CFO, and they might be on their way to improving their operation here. That's JC Stocks and Markets Podcast for this episode. Thank you for listening. I appreciate it. This is a lot of fun for me. The intro and outro song is a song called She's the One by a band I used to play in called Just One Goat, and has a lot of special meaning to me. If you like the podcast, subscribe, thumbs up. I don't get off on that, but hey, if you like it, just share it, save it, listen to it over and over. Appreciate it. JC Stocks and Markets Podcast signing out. Happy investing.
But I know my way back home. A loving girl is physical, but I never have to roam. Well, she's always there for me. It's simple, can't you see? She's the one. Oh, she's the one. Everything is magical, even when she's not around. No, it's not that radical, I just know what I have found. Well, she's always there for me. It's simple, can't you see? She's the one. Oh, she's the one. She's making my life so much stronger. God, let me stay just a little bit longer. She's the one. Yeah, she's the one. Yeah. All this time, she's the one. Oh, she's the one.